So in order to find d2 by dx2 for x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta, you find out dx d theta. Okay, you get minus a sin theta,
Okay, sir.
and here you find dy d theta. You get b cos theta. Okay, so therefore dy dx is equal to dy d theta by dx d theta, which is b cos theta by minus a sin theta, which you get minus b by a cot theta, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, what is d2y dx2? d2y dx2 is ddx of dy dx. Now, Amir, tell me after this, what should I do? Just tell me once.
Sir, we will sir did the uh,
What will I write? Tell
d2
me.
idea. Sir, ha 1 by
1 by.
the differentiation of dy dx
What should I write?
ddx.
Tell me what should I write after this?
Because the
See and tell me what you can see. What is the value of dy dx you can see?
dy dx b cos theta.
B cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Only b cos theta. dy dx is minus b by a cot theta. You can't see or what from
Sir,
your
minus
phone?
b by
ddx of minus b by a cot theta.
cos theta.
Now what? Minus b by a you can take out of the differentiation. You're only left with ddx of
ddx of
cot theta.
cot theta.
Now how do I differentiate cot theta? Tell me.
Sir, the formula of cot theta ddx differentiation of cot theta sin minus sin by sin theta.
Cot is minus sine.
No, sir. Cos is minus sin. Cot is
So you still don't know your differentiation formulas.
uh,
Minus b by a, and see there is an x here. I'm differentiating theta with respect to x. Then how should I differentiate? First I will differentiate with respect to theta to get minus cosec square theta,
cos x square.
because ddx of cosec x is minus cosec square, right?
Yes, sir.
And then because I have a theta here, I will write d theta dx, because I am differentiating theta with respect to x.
X.
Minus b minus minus becomes a plus. Minus minus combines to become a plus. I simply get b by a cosec square theta, and d theta dx can be written as 1 by dx d theta.
Dx.
And what is dx d theta? We have calculated. Dx d theta we calculated as
Minus
minus a
a
sin theta.
sin theta.
So this will become b cosec square theta by a into minus a
B
sin theta,
theta.
right?
Yes.
So this becomes minus b by a square cosec square theta divided by sin theta. But because I have a cosec in the numerator, I'll change sin to cosec. I'll write sin as 1 by cosec. So I'll simply get minus b by a cosec cube theta. This is d2y dx2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one is 17.2 I said.
Yes, sir.
What is given here? Given here is x is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Y is equal to a theta plus sin theta. You have to find d2y dx2. How do you find? First find dx d theta. Dx d theta is what? d theta of a into 1 minus cos theta. A is constant. So a d theta of 1 minus cos theta. So a and dd theta of 1 is 0 minus radius of cos is minus sine.
Yes, sir.
So this simply becomes a sine theta. And what is dy d theta? It is d theta of a into theta plus sine theta. Take a out, you get d theta of theta plus sine theta. And now you get a d theta of theta is 1 and d theta of sine theta is cos theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, what is dy dx? Dy d theta by dx d theta. Dy d theta is a into 1 plus cos theta, and dx d theta is a sin theta.
Sin theta.
Okay. Now we simplify this a little further before finding d2y dx2. How? 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos squared theta by 2. We are simplifying this so that it is easier for us to differentiate further. And sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. In fact, a
Cos.
cancels here only. Okay. So a will not be here. So you get 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Again 2 cancels here. Cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2, this cancels. So you simply get cot theta by 2.
Cos.
Now we proceed to find d2y dx2. Therefore, d2y dx2 is ddx of dy dx. And what is dy dx? Cot theta by 2. And how do you differentiate cot theta by 2 with respect to x? First, you differentiate it with respect to theta. You differentiate cot theta by 2, you get minus cosec square theta by 2 into d theta of theta by 2, which is half, into d theta dx. So you get minus cosec square theta by 2 into 1 by dx d theta. And how much is dx d theta?
The dx d theta.
Dx d theta above we have found as a sin theta.
A sin theta.
A sin theta. Now this can also be simplified further. How? You write cosec square theta by 2 as sine square theta by 2, right? And this you write as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. So what you get here is minus 1 by 2a sine cube theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Not 2, this is 4, because 2 into 2 will become 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this can also be written as minus 1 1 by 4a cosec cube theta by 2 sec theta by 2. Okay. So that is what? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is what. And yes, number 18. How to find out the value of d2y dx2 for a particular value of a parameter. See, till now I have been finding d2y dx2. Next question is deals with at what value, at a particular value of theta is given, then what will be that particular value of d2y dx2. Okay. Here you have number 18. You have given x is equal to a sec cube theta and y is equal to a tan cube theta. Okay. See the question. Find d2y dx2 at theta is equal to pi by 4. This is the question. That means at a particular value of theta, what is the value of d2y dx2? So first we shall proceed to find d2y dx2 as we do. So therefore first we find dy dx. Dx d theta is, differentiate this, a dd theta of sec cube theta. And how do you differentiate sec cube theta? First differentiate the power. So you get 3a sec square theta into dd theta of sec theta,
Yes, sir.
which is 3a sec square theta. dd theta of sec theta is sec theta tan theta. So you get 3a sec cube theta tan theta. This is dx d theta. And what is dy d theta? It is a dd theta
A d theta.
of tan cube theta. And how do you differentiate tan cube theta? First you differentiate the power to get 3 tan square theta into dd theta of tan theta. So what do you get? 3a dd theta of tan theta is what? Sec square
Yes, sir.
theta. Tan square theta. So this is what you get, dy d theta. Therefore, what is d2y dx2? I mean dy dx, sorry. Therefore, dy dx is dy d theta by dx d theta. And dy d theta is 3a sec square theta tan square theta by 3a sec cube theta tan theta, which is equal to tan theta. This will cancel. Sec square, this will cancel. 3 will cancel. A will cancel. So what are you left with? You are left with only tan theta by sec theta. Now you change everything to sine and cos.
Yes, sir.
You get sine theta by cos theta into into 1 by sec is cos. So this cancel. You simply get sine theta. Okay. So dy dx you are getting sine theta. Therefore, what is d2y dx2? It is ddx of dy dx, which is ddx of sine theta, which is
Cos.
ddx cos theta first. First differentiate sine with respect to theta.
Yes,
You
sir.
get cos theta into d theta dx. So this can be written as cos theta by dx d theta is equal to cos theta by, and what is dx d theta? Dx d theta we have found as this 3a sec cube tan. 3a sec cube theta tan theta. Okay. So I convert everything to sine and cos. So what do I get? Cos theta by 3a 1 by cos cube theta into sine theta by cos theta. Okay. So what do I get? I get cos to the power of 5 theta divided by 3a sine theta. Right? This is what I am getting d2y dx2. But the point here is
Yes,
that they
sir.
have asked you to find at theta is equal to pi by 4. So once you have got d2y dx2 at theta is equal to pi by 4, in fact, we write it this way. We write d2y dx2 at theta is equal to pi by 4. You put theta is equal to pi by 4. Cos to the power of 5 pi by 4 divided by 3a sine pi by 4. So how much do you get? How much is cos pi by 4? Cos 45. So this is 1 by root 2 to the power of 5 divided by 3a. This is also 1 by root 2. So how much do you get? 1 by root 2 to the power of, by the laws of indices, this is 5 minus 1 by 3a. So what do you get? 1 by root 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3a. So this is 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 divided by 3a. So how much is root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2? 4 times 2 into 2. So 1
4
by
times.
2 into 2,
That will be 2 to 4.
which is 1 by 12. This is your answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is what
Okay,
I
sir.
stop here for today.